Hello friends, today in this lecture I will cover some important question related to control system that is very important for competition point of view as well as semester point of view in engineering. So many different types of questions designed from the solution of these questions. Okay, so this is a very short video, just think that it is a one short type video. So we start control system. क्वेश्चन है draw the root locus diagram for the OLTF okay. Now solution. देखिए सबसे पहले क्या करेंगे कि इसमें हम लोग फर्स्ट स्टेप है नंबर ऑफ पोल्स देखेंगे। जैसे देखा है नंबर ऑफ पोल्स कितने हैं, 2 हैं। नंबर ऑफ जीरोस कितने हैं, 1 है। सो हियर पोल इज ग्रेटर देन 0, so it is a proper transfer function, strictly proper transfer function. Okay, now this is find for calculate the number of branches, that is 2, that is equal to number of poles. This is the number of branch, root locus branch है। सेकेंड है number of asymptotes, so number of asymptotes क्या होता है, a is equal to p minus z, number of poles minus number of zeros, and here number of poles will be 2 and number of 0 1, so this is the 1. This represents number of asymptotes, that means number of virtual zeros, not physical zeros. So number of virtual zeros will be 1 in this question. Okay, so third, angle of asymptotes, angle of asymptotes. So angle of asymptotes 2 alpha plus 1, 180 degree upon p minus z. First calculate alpha maximum, that is p minus z minus 1, and we see p minus z is 2 minus 1 is equal to 1, so alpha we 0 and 1. Okay, so angle asymptotes when alpha is equal to 0, 180 degree upon 2, that is 90 degree, and second when alpha is equal to 1, to 70 degree. सो यहाँ पे एक मिस्टेक हो गया है, यहाँ 2 नहीं है, यहाँ 1 है। ओके, सो ये 0 आ जाएगा, और 0 आने के कारण एंगल ऑफ एसिम्पटोट्स तो हुआ 180 डिग्री। ओके, फोर्थ है सेंट्रॉइड, रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय सिग्मा। सिग्मा होता है समेशन ऑफ रियल पार्ट ऑफ पोल्स माइनस समेशन ऑफ रियल पार्ट ऑफ जीरोस अपॉन p माइनस जेड। ओके, सो सेंट्रॉइड हो जाएगा रियल पार्ट ऑफ पोल्स। अगर हम देखें कि पोल्स का रियल पार्ट 2 है, यानी s इक्वल टू -3 एंड s इक्वल टू -5। रियल पार्ट ऑफ जीरोस है s इक्वल टू -6, यानी -+6 सेट 1। तो 5 3 8 -8 + 6 अपॉन 1, 6 8 हो गया -2। एंड फिफ्थ है फिफ्थ फाइंड करेंगे ब्रेक अवे पॉइंट एंड ब्रेक इन पॉइंट। तो इसके लिए पहले हमें 1 + GHS इक्वल टू 0, डेट इज कैरेक्टरिस्टिक इक्वेशन है। तो यहाँ लिखना होगा GHS क्या था, KS + 6 अपॉन S + 3 एंड S + 5। सो कैरेक्टरिस्टिक इक्वेशन हो जाएंगे S + 3 S + 5 प्लस K S + 6 इज इक्वल टू 0। ठीक है, देन we calculate the value of k is equal to minus s plus 3 s plus 5 upon s plus 6. Break this numerator expression, s square plus 538s plus 15 upon s plus 6. Now dk upon ds, differentiate. This is a form of u by v. So v differentiation of u, that is 2s plus 8 minus u and differentiation of v upon v square. So here for the calculation of maxima and minima value, put dk upon ds is equal to 0. Now if dk is upon ds is equal to 0, then expression will be s plus 6 2s plus 8 minus s square plus 8s plus 15 is equal to 0. Now 2s square plus 12s and 8s, 20s plus 8 6 are 48 minus s square minus 8s minus 15 is equal to 0. So s square 20s minus 8s plus 12s plus 48 minus 15 plus 33. Now S is equal to minus B plus minus root under B square minus 4AC upon 2A. 2 2 are 4 and 3 1 4 upon 2. Minus 12 plus minus 2 root under 3 upon 2. That will be S is equal to minus 6 plus minus root 3. S1 minus 6 plus root 3. S2 minus 6 minus root 3. This is a minus 4.2679 and minus 6 minus root 3 will be minus 7.7320. Okay, so check this is a valid point or not. Plot the pole zero diagram. Sigma j omega. So our poles is minus 3 and minus 5. And zeros minus 6. Zeros minus 6. Poles minus 3 and minus 5. So minus 4.26. Minus 4.26. There is a lie between minus 3 and minus 5. This is S1 position and S2 position beyond the minus 6, that is S2 position. So both point S1 and S2 are valid points. How to find the value point? That is, all these things are the basic concept, because in two type of root locus is divided into two categories. First is complementary root locus, that is inverse root locus or direct root locus. So in the case of direct root locus, that is the valid point is condition for check the valid point is odd positions, and in the complementary root locus even positions, that is a valid point. Here we see this is a S1 represent the after one poles this position lies, so that is the odd positions, and here also 1 2 3 pole and zeros both consider, and the position will be represented in the odd side. Okay, so now see due to angle of acceptance will be 180 degree, so it will form a circle. Okay, so change the color and look like a circle. Okay, so from this point here k is equal to 0, k is equal to infinity, and from this point k is equal to 0. Sorry, change the color here. Okay, ignore the diagram sketches because my drawing is not so good. So change the color, take this color. Okay, now in direct root locus, leftmost zero represent the center of the circle, and in the case of complementary root locus, that is rightmost zero. So this is center of the circle is -6, and also see the this expression, center -6 comma 0 and radius √3. Okay, this one represents center and this one is represent radius. Now here no need to calculate the value of omega n natural frequency and k marginal, that is again because it does not intersect imaginary axis. Okay, thank you, all the best.